All right, in this video, we're going to go over how to create a defense in FootballU and how you can visualize this out behind any offensive play whenever we're going to visualize in the whiteboard or in the practice script screen, right? So to create a defense, very simple process, similar as other playbook items. We'll just go to create defense up in the top right corner under playbook. We can also adopt any pre-made templates. But when we go in to create a defense, we can adjust out any alignments based off of the center. We can add rush pass coverage if we want to. Any text to be under players to show specific responsibilities. You can see right here I added some text under the strong safety. It's going to automatically populate under that player, and it'll also follow that player around based on wherever his alignment is, similar to routes. Okay, but it's really the exact same play drawing technique that you would use in the whiteboard screen or when you're creating an offensive play. However, when we create a defense, we're basically just saving every defensive player in relation to the center, and we are unable to create any offensive routes or post-snap motions or anything like that when we're actually creating the defense itself, right? When we're creating a practice script, we can go in and draw up whatever the coverage is against any offensive play. But for the defense creation itself, we're really just saving the alignments of all 11 players on defense, any routes we want off of that, any text that we want off of that, any route adjustments that we want off of that. But for the offense itself, we're really only going to be saving the offensive formation to be able to show under our playbook right here, right? So let's say I had this cover 3 sky. I'm not going to go through and get all these alignments exactly correct right here. But let's say we had something like this, with this guy being the hook. Just going to add a couple of texts to signify what this defense is. And really, too, if you wanted to just add the alignments, that's what I end up doing for a lot of my defenses that I'm ending up creating is I'll just add the alignments that I want, whether it be a middle field closed or middle field open structure. And then when I'm going to actually assign out those a script with that defense, I'll just go in and add out notes, add out different specific coverage that we want against a certain offensive play. And we can do that exact same thing in the whiteboard screen, right? But let's just say right here I had my pressure drawn up. Let's have this guy slant into the A, and I've got my my coverage responsibilities of what I basically want, right? So let's just go here. Let's go call this 3 sky. All right. Go in and save our defense. And then from here, we'll see 3 sky has been saved to our playbook. And now we can go in and see this under our playbook. If we type up 3 sky, go in to view this, and we'll be able to see there's our defense that we just created. And now if we go into the whiteboard screen as well, against any offensive play, we can type up any defense. So here's my 3 sky right here against this 2x2 offensive formation. We can go in and draw up a ace Hank on offense against 3 sky on defense. Let's see this. And there you go, right? Very quick and easy for players to go in and view these, and as a coach is really to be able to go in and assign these out for players to go in and view, and we can obviously go in and see this play out against any offensive play against any defense. We can draw in and adjust this play right on the fly, but that is how you can go in and create a defense in FootballU.